Beautiful Texas sky. Gonna go for a little cruise. So I know I've been talking about getting like a GoPro and stuff like that. I don't know which one. I don't know which GoPro to go with. I heard that the 11 Black Mini is not good, or it has a bunch of bad reviews, and I really have zero clue which GoPro to go with. So guys, if you know anything about GoPros, let me know down in the comment section. As of right now, I use this thing called Trackform, and what it does is it goes to your headrest. This thing's like 60 bucks, probably about 65 bucks. So it goes to your headrest right there, screws in with some Allen screws, and then you can adjust it in all kinds of different positions. And I just put the phone right there, and I have it facing forward so that it can still use a 4K camera, but it's just, I know it's not POV, but it's still pointing forward and stuff like that. It's still pointing forward, so I mean, it's about as good as I can get it without having an actual GoPro or one of those little holders that goes in my mouth, which I'm not doing that crap. Like I said, I do plan on getting a GoPro. I don't know when. I mean, I would like to have one. I would like to have one of those big ass sticks and then put that on the back of the truck, you know, and the truck looks like a big monster truck. It'll look pretty cool. It'll look like a toy. But at least you guys will get to see some of these back roads over here in Corpus, and we're gonna get the car on the highway, see how it runs, and then I need to go get my wife a mocha frap. That's how I sold it on her, that I was gonna get out of the house, because she goes, "Why do you keep going to the garage? You're so in love with that car." I was just trying to tell her that I wanted to look at the tail lights to make sure that they're not fogging over. The piece that I sanded and put the ceramic coat on, I wanted to make sure that they're not just fogging over, and that they don't just look good for the first 24 hours, that they actually look pretty badass and they're sustaining, which it's been about 24 hours since I've done that, and they still look badass. Yesterday I did place the order for that high kick spoiler, which was not yesterday, it was Saturday. Saturday I placed the order for the high kick spoiler, which I don't think anything really gets placed until today. I bet you when I make the charge, when I go charge the credit card right now, when I go to McDonald's, that I'll see the charge actually come down for Turner Motorsports and all that stuff. But I ordered that high kick spoiler. It said the tentative date was supposed to be the 9th through the 14th or something like that. I'm supposed to go to work on the 11th, so hopefully it comes the 9th and I can get everything done and put another video up by the time, or I can have another video edited for release while I'm at work, so I can have some type of content. This is why I want to get the windshield done. If you look closely, you can see all the abrasions. Look at this crack. And it's got a crack up there. And then it has another one over here. Right here. Look at this thing. My windshield is tinted. I believe it's at... You can see all the little dings. And I went over the windshield with a razor to see if it was like any overspray or any of that stuff. But a lot of this is just tiny dings, so. Oh man, one of the shitty parts about living in the country is all the damn dust and particles that come from the farmers that are right here at the edge of my street. There's a bunch of plots of land where they irrigate like corn and all kinds of bullshit. So as they start plowing the fields and doing all their crap, there are dust flies everywhere, because we get that coastal wind from the Gulf of Mexico. Man, that shit gets freaked. See all this open land? All this crap right here, all over. It goes way the fuck out there. This is how they irrigate like corn and all this crap. All this crap blows this way and gets on all these houses. Ew. God damn white ass turn, bro. Can I get a small mocha frap?
What else?
And a large fry.
Okay, what else?
That's it.
First window.
Thank you. My phone's about to die. It's at 10% right now, so glad I got you guys a little bit of what my back roads look like. Right now I'm running no cats, no resi, just fab speed exhaust. I want to get an X pipe. So I believe that may be the next mod will be a full Michelin X pipe with just resonators, no cats. So I heard good things about it. So we might have to do that. I have 10% on battery, so when it dies, it dies. I appreciate everybody watching the content. Like I said, this is just something to put something out, just because I'm trying to stay consistent with like every couple days, just putting something out. I don't want you guys to get completely bored, but I am going to be taking off a few weeks because I do have to go to work, so I won't be able to put nothing out. Sorry about that, but it kind of is what it is. My channel will probably die off. I only get a few views anyways, but the channel will probably completely die off as soon as I stop making content for 2 weeks. But it's the life of a non-YouTuber, man. I'm just a guy doing YouTube on the side. All right. This is for the wife. I put it in automatic, so it should be still fun to drive. It's still in M mode. Stop down here on this road. There's always got to be traffic coming right when I want to do something, but man, look how good she looks. Sitting nice, boys. Nice and tucked. Just minor rubbing, but no biggie. Damn, look how good this car looks. Shit. Let's get a little frontal action. Hell yeah. As soon as I got into the house, I turned off the car, but I remembered I needed to put the windows completely back up, so I was gonna put it back, turn it back on. But now I'm not getting no action. I can't even get the key out. The key is like locked in place. If anybody got any suggestions, I know I'll figure out by the time this video comes out, but I'm just letting you guys know this is what's weird. It's like, now it's not doing anything. It's not like I can open the trunk and disconnect the battery, so I'm gonna have to climb through, open the latch, disconnect the battery. All right, boys, so I opened up this hatch, unlocked this bad boy, opened up the trunk, and all it was one of these cables was loose. So I'm gonna tighten this thing down. Shit came back on. Windows are up. Key is out. Oh, hell. But nonetheless, thank God it was something simple and easy and cheap, nothing expensive. We got her back at the house. Everything's good. I'm gonna tighten this thing down. I'm gonna edit this video, man, and I appreciate all you guys. Thank you. Stay positive, guys.